Hi, welcome back. Let's talk about European belt routing found on the Mesa Max. But first, make sure you watch the video on ride down and load leg to fully understand this feature. The European belt routing clip can be found here on the back of the Mesa Max. It's designed to be used during installation without the base. During installation without the base, you're going to route the lap belt portion of the vehicle belt through these guides here, and then you're going to clip it down into the buckle. The shoulder belt portion is going to come back around and through the European belt routing clip. What the European belt routing clip does is it performs similarly to a load leg that you use with the base. The benefits of the European belt routing during a crash event can be shown here. At the beginning, we call this the rest phase. The Mesa Max will be installed into the vehicle seat with the vehicle belt shown here in the dotted lines. In the event of a crash, the first thing that's going to happen is we're going to have some forward translation, or what we can call forward rotation. That's where all the inertial forces are moving forward in the car, pulling the Mesa Max forward. The vehicle seat belt is going to stretch and the vehicle seat foam is going to collapse a little bit. That's going to absorb some energy. You see with the European belt routing, the Mesa Max is going to be supported up high in the back, which is going to limit the amount of rotation forward. That's going to absorb more energy and increase that time for ride down. You can see that when we look at the rebound phase. Because we've absorbed more energy here, we have less rebounding energy. That's going to prevent the Mesa Max from flipping backwards, protecting the child's head from hitting the vehicle seat back. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to check out the rest of the Mesa Max videos in the series.